coding in Visual Studio Code and tired of typing the same structures again and again? I have something for you. Introducing bf-snippetmaster, your own custom library of snippets, organized by specific files. Let's get it from the marketplace. Search for bf-snippetmaster, click Install, and don't forget to reload Visual Studio Code. Open the command palette, search for snippetmaster snippets folder, and create a new JSON file for your specific file type. Now, let's put it to work. Type the snippet prefix in your file, select the snippet, and voila! Coding just got a lot easier. Give bf-snippetmaster a try today and take your coding to the next level. Download now from the Visual Studio Code Marketplace.